Good morning, everyone. This is Mike of MLB Accounting, wishing you a happy Monday. Today, we will discuss the lessons we can learn from the so-called Stanford Marshmallow Experiments conducted in the late 60s and early 70s. This was a series of studies on delayed gratification led by psychologist Walter Mischel, then a professor at Stanford University. In these studies, a child was offered a choice between one marshmallow which they can eat straight away, or if they can wait for another 15 minutes, they can have two marshmallows. The researchers followed up on these children after a few years, and they found out that the kids who waited longer for another marshmallow did better in life. They were found to have achieved a higher academic test score, got along better with others, used lesser drugs as a young adult, and were found to be healthier in middle age. Then, what lessons can we learn from this experiment? It is that we need to master to have self-control in our lives. Another lesson is to regulate one's own emotions. And the good thing is, this set of skills can be taught and learned. The ease of credit in modern society has eroded the delayed gratification model. Unlike before, where we save for months to buy a prized gadget, we can now just buy it with a swipe of our credit card and worry about paying it later. Usually, this spending lifestyle will lead us to more debt, and if left unchecked, will prevent us from becoming financially free. Therefore, we need to break this habit, and we have to take control of our spending. There are 7 ways to break this habit. First, avoid the temptation. Don't go to malls just window shopping or browsing endlessly at online sites. This will tempt you to buy anything you see. Second, distract yourself from buying. You do this by doing some activities like reading a book, playing sports, listening to self-help audiobook, or taking up a hobby. Third is create the if-then plan. If I control my spending habit, then I will save more in the future for my retirement. Fourth, minimize stress. When one is stressed, you give in to temptation easily without thinking of the long-term implication. Fifth, mentally transform your temptation. You have to think creatively and put a mental picture of you becoming a penniless person when you retire if you buy these things on impulse. Sixth, self-control. This is a very important skill we have to learn if we are to be successful in life. Seventh is leave your credit card at home and only use cash withdrawn from the ATM machines. This will definitely break the habit. Again, this is Mike of MLB Accounting, and I will see you again in the next episode. Happy Monday, and let us start the week right with today's Monday lesson.